Friends, last we complete up to question number 3rd of exercise 7.3. Now here we solve remaining question of same exercise 7.3. Question number 4. Find integration of sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. You know that identity sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So sine cube x is equal to 4 sine cube x take this side and the sine 3x take this side, so we get a 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon a dividing by 4. Clear? You know that identity sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So 4 sine cube x take this side, sine 3x take this side, then divide by 4. We get a 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon a 4. Okay. Same apply for this terms sine cube 2x plus 1. We get a 3 sine 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 times x. So here 3 times of this terms is equal to 6x plus 3 upon 4 dx. So is equal to 1 by 4 integration. Here 3 take outside and dividing by 4. So and apply integration to each terms. 3 upon 4 integration sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 upon 4 integration sine 6x plus 3 dx. So is equal to 3 upon 4 integration of sine 2x plus 1 is equal to, we know that, minus cos 2x plus 1 and divide by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is a 2. Okay. Minus 1 upon 4 integration of sine is a minus, here write in a bracket, minus cos 6x plus 3 upon a 6 plus integrand constant c. Now simplify this. Here minus minus become plus and 1 upon 6 4 24. So 1 upon 24 cos 6x plus 3 minus here 3 upon 4 to 8. So 3 upon 8 cos 2x plus 1 plus c. Clear? So remember this all identity and think where we apply this identity. As per requirement we use this identity. Now question number next, question number 5. Question number 5. Find integration of sine cube x into cos cube x dx. In this type of integrand, first 3 take outside, so sine x cos x raised to 3 dx. Now remember this, we know that identity 2 sine x into cos x is equal to sine 2x, you know. So to get this identity, here first we multiply by 2. That means we multiply by 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 we multiply by this, so divide by 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So 1 upon 8 integration, this becomes a sine 2x raised to 3 dx. Okay. Now apply this formula or second method. Sine 2x raised to 3 change into sine square 2x into sine 2x. So using second method, here we solve this equation. Sine square 2x into sine 2x dx. So is equal to 1 upon 8. Change this sine square into cos form, 1 minus cos square 2x into sine 2x dx. Now assume that cos 2x is equal to t. So let cos 2x is equal to t. This implies minus sine 2x into 2 dx is equal to become dt. Clear? Therefore sine 2x dx, sine 2x dx is equal to become minus 2, take this side, so minus 1 upon 2 dt. Okay, so integration becomes here 1 upon 8, 1 minus here cos 2x is equal to, we suppose these are terms t, so 1 minus t square into sine 2x dx is equal to, here sine 2x dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. So minus 1 by 2 dt. Clear? So is equal to, here minus 1 by 2 take outside, so 1 by 16 into 1 minus t square dt integration. Okay. Now integration of 1 with respect to t is equal to, you know that t minus integration of t square with respect to t is equal to t raised to 3 upon 3 plus c. So is equal to minus 1 by 16. Here t is equal to cos 2x. So cos 2x minus 1 upon 3 cos 2x raised to 3 plus c. Clear? And the second method, here cos 2x raised to 3, using identity we remove this power 3. You know that formula, identity, that is a sin x raised to 3 is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin, here minus sin 3x upon 4. You know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. So change this sin cube 2x into sin form, 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x upon 4 and get a integration. Okay. In this method you get an integration 3 upon 4 minus cos x minus minus plus cos 3x upon 12. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. Find integration of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. This question asked in 2012. Remember this. Now, in this type of integral, first we multiply by 2, divide by 2, and change any two terms into multiplication to addition or subtraction. You know that. So 1 by 2 integration 2 sin x sin 2x sin 3x dx. So is equal to, now apply 2 SS for these two terms. So 1 by 2 integration sin 2x into 2, first write big terms sin 3x into sin x dx. So is equal to 1 by 2 integration. Here you know that 2SS is equal to C minus C. And in first we take subtraction, in second take addition. Remember this. Sin 2x into cos, first take subtraction, 3x minus x become 2x minus cos 3x plus x become 4x dx. Clear? So is equal to 1 by 2 integration sin 2x. Here sin 2x take inside, so here we get a sin 2x cos 2x minus sin 2x with this, so first write a cos 4x into sin 2x, okay, dx. Now second time apply multiplying by 2 divided by 2, that is we apply formula here 2SC and here 2CS. So 1 by 4 integration 2 sin 2x into cos 2x minus 2 cos 4x into sin 2x dx. Clear? This become sin 4x. So is equal to 1 upon 4 integration sin 4x minus, here become 2CS is equal to, 2CS is equal to, you know that S minus S. 2CS is equal to S minus S. So sin, first take addition of these two, 4x plus 2x, that is 6x, and minus minus become plus, sin 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. Clear? dx. Now get integration of these terms is equal to 1 upon 4. Here becomes sin 4x, integration of this is equal to minus cos 4x upon 4 minus minus plus cos 6x upon 6 plus, here minus, integration of this is a minus cos 2x upon 2 plus integrand constant c, and 1 upon 4 take inside. So here we get first write this positive terms, cos 6x upon 24 minus 1 upon 16 cos 4x minus, here 1 upon 8 cos 2x plus c. Clear? Answer. Applying same, we solve question number 7. Integration sin 4x into sin 8x. First multiply by 2, divide by 2 and apply 2ss. You know that 2ss is equal to c minus c. Clear? Solve this question yourself. Now question number 8. Here given integration 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So is equal to, you know that identity, 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos x and 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus of cos x, or 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 upon, here 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 dx. You know that identity, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 take this side, divide by 2. So 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, so 1 plus cos x is equal to, here half of this becomes 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, that is a cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 1 take this side, so 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Same, 2 sin square x by 2. So cos 2x is equal to second formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x. So if we take only x, then we take a half of this. So 2 sin square x by 2 take this side, cos x take this side, so 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. So is equal to 2 cancel, sin upon cos become tan square x by 2 dx. So is equal to, now change this into sec form, sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Because you know that there is no formula of integration of tan square, so we change into sec form. So is equal to, integration of this is equal to tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2, that is a 2, minus integration of 1 is equal to x plus integrand constant c. Clear? Answer. Now question number 9. Find integration of cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Clear? Now dividing by 2 cos square x by 2 to both, here we get 1 minus 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2 dx. Now find integration of both. Integration of 1 with respect to x is a 1, minus 1 by 2 integration of sec square x by 2 is a tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2, that is a 2, plus integrand constant c. So x minus here tan x by 2 plus a c. Clear? Now question number 10. Find integration of sin x raised to 4 dx. So is equal to, here square take outside, so we get a sin square x raised to 2 dx. So is equal to, now sin square change into cos form using identity. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 raised to 2. You know that first we remove this square, then split this bracket. So 1 upon 4 integration 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. Now second time remove this square using this identity. 1 upon 4 integration 1 minus cos 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos twice of this 4x upon 2 dx. So is equal to 2 take LCM, so 1 upon 8 integration 2 minus 2 to 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x dx. Okay, so is equal to 1 upon 8 integration 2 plus 1 become 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx. And you know that integration of 1 is equal to x, so 3 into x minus integration of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x upon 2 plus integration of cos 4x is equal to sin 4x upon 4 plus integral constant c. So is equal to answer 1 upon 8 integration into bracket 3x minus here 2 sin 2x plus sin 4x upon 4 plus c. Okay. Now question number 11, same question. Find integration of cos 2x raised to 4. So I take outside cos square 2x raised to 2, cos square 2x change into cos form using identity. 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Then split this. Second time apply this identity and get an answer. Now question number 12. Find integration of sin square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here sin square x is equal to, you know that 1 minus cos square x and 1 minus cos x. Here 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x. Now factorize this. So we get 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here 1 plus cos x cancel. Now integration of 1 with respect to x is a x minus integration of cos x is a sin x plus integral constant c. Clear? Now question number 13. Find integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Here first change the 2x into x form using identity. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 minus cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus minus become plus 1 upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2 take outside and factorize cos square x minus cos square alpha. Cos x minus cos alpha, here cos x plus cos alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Cos x minus cos alpha from both cancel, so we get integration of cos x is equal to sin x. This is a constant term, so plus cos alpha into integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. Clear? Important question, remember this. Now question number 14. Find integration of cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here cos x minus sin x given, and in a denominator 1 plus sin 2x given. So 1 plus sin 2x change into cos and sin form. Here 1 is equal to, we know that cos square x plus sin square x plus sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, you know. Now arrange the terms and factorize this. We get cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x plus sin square x. So cos x minus sin x upon this become cos x plus sin x raised to 2. Clear? Dx. Now assume that cos x plus sin x is equal to t, because cos x minus sin x is a derivative of these terms. So we suppose this cos x plus sin x is equal to t. This implies derivative of this is equal to minus sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt. So minus sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. So integration becomes integration dt upon t square. So is equal to integration 1 upon t square, write in a numerator applying a minus sign, that is a minus power. So integration t raised to minus 2 dt, and integration of this is equal to t raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, that is minus 1 upon t plus c. So is equal to minus 1 upon, here t is equal to cos x plus sin x. Clear? Plus c. Answer. Now question number 15. Question 15. Find integration of tan 2x raised to 3 into sec 2x. So is equal to, here 110 apply to these terms, so we get a tan square 2x into sec 2x into tan 2x dx. So is equal to, now tan square 2x change into sec form, because sec 2x tan 2x into 2 dx become derivative of sec 2x. So tan square 2x change into sec form, sec square 2x minus 1 into sec 2x tan 2x dx. Now assume these terms, sec 2x is equal to t. This implies sec 2x tan 2x into derivative of 2x is equal to 2 dx is equal to become dt. So this implies 2 take this side, so we get a sec 2x into tan 2x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Clear? So integration change into form of, here t square minus 1, and this terms is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so is equal to 1 by 2, integration of t square is a t raised to 3 upon 3 minus integration of 1 is a t, okay, plus a c. So is equal to, here t is equal to, we know that terms sec 2x, so 1 upon 2, here sec 2x raised to 3 upon 3 minus t is equal to sec 2x plus a c. Clear? 1 by 2 take inside, or I write a same. This is a final answer. Okay. Now question number 16. Find the integration of 10x raised to 4 dx. Here 10x raised to 4 change into form of 10x into tan square x into tan square x dx is equal to sec tan square x change into sec form, so we get a tan square x into sec square x minus 1 dx, so is equal to tan square take inside, so we get a tan square x sec square x dx minus integration tan square x dx. Split this and apply integration to both. Now here derivative of 10x is a sec square x dx. Tan square change into sec form, so integration tan square x into sec square x dx minus integration tan square is equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now in this integration, 10x is equal to take t. So let 10x is equal to t. This implies sec square x dx is equal to dt. So is equal to, integration becomes here t square dt, write the same, integration sec square x minus 1 dx. So is equal to, integration of this is equal to t raised to 3 upon 3 minus integration of this is equal to 10x minus minus plus integration of 1 is a x plus a integrand constant c. Now t is equal to, we know that 10x, so tan cube x upon 3 minus 10x plus x plus a c. Clear? Similarly, question number 17. Question 17. Find integration of sin x raised to 3 plus cos x raised to 3 upon sin x raised to 2 cos x raised to 2 dx. In this type of integrand, first we divide by sin square x cos square x to both term. We get here 1 sin square cancel, so sin x upon cos square x. 1 upon cos x is a sec x, and sin x upon cos x becomes a tan x. Plus same here 1 term cos square x cancel from both, so cos x upon sin x become cot x, and 1 upon sin x become cosec x. That is, we get cosec x cot x dx. So integration of our first term is equal to, we know that sec x, and integration of cosec x cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Clear? Now question number 18. Question 18. Find integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. So is equal to, here cos 2x change into sine form. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x, you know that, upon cos square x dx. Here both cancel, so 1 upon cos square becomes a sec square x dx, and integration of this is equal to, we know that, tan x plus a c. Okay. Now question number 19. Find integration of 1 upon sin x into cos x raised to 3 dx. Remember this here. If we divide by sine to cos, we get here 1 upon tan x into divide by cos. So here multiply by cos, so becomes cos x raised to 4 dx. Clear? So is equal to, now cos x raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon cos x is equal to sec x. So we get a sec square x raised to 2 dx upon tan x. So is equal to sec square x, 1 sec change into tan form, so 1 plus tan square x, and other write sec square x dx upon tan x. Now tan x is equal to suppose t, so let tan x is equal to t. This implies sec square x dx is equal to become dt. So this integration becomes integration 1 plus t square upon t into sec square x dx is equal to dt. So is equal to, divide by t, so 1 upon t plus t dt. So integration of this is equal to log mod t plus t square upon 2 plus c. So is equal to log mod t. T is equal to, we know that our terms tan x plus tan square x upon 2 plus c. Clear? Answer. Now question number 20. Find integration of cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x raised to 2 dx. Here we use identity. We know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x plus sin x raised to 2 dx. So is equal to, now factorize this. So we get cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x raised to 2 dx. 1 cos x sin x cancel. Now cos x plus sin x is equal to, take a t. So let cos x plus sin x is equal to t. This implies minus sin x plus cos x dx is equal to become dt. So in place of these terms, cos x minus sin x dx is equal to, write a dt. So integration becomes integration dt upon t. So is equal to, integration of this is equal to log mod t, we know that, plus c. So log mod t, t is equal to cos x plus a sin x plus a c. Okay. Same. Question number 21. Find the integration of sin inverse cos x dx. Here cos x change into sin form, so integration, or sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Apply same. So sin inverse cos change into sin form, sin 90 minus x dx. Here sin inverse pi by 2 minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus x dx, and get integration pi by 2 into x minus x square upon 2 plus constant c. Clear? Question number 22. Most important question. Find the integration of 1 upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. In this type of equation, multiplying by sin a minus b to both numerator denominator. Always we apply this sin a minus b upon sin a minus b. Here sin a minus b is a constant term upon cos x minus a cos x minus b. Clear? Dx. So is equal to 1 upon sin a minus b. Now change this a minus b into x plus a, x minus b, or x minus a, x minus b form. So integration sin, here x, add x minus b, okay, minus x minus a. Here minus take inside, so minus x plus x cancel, minus minus plus a, so here we get a minus a b, upon cos x minus a cos x minus a b dx. So is equal to 1 upon sin a minus b integration. Apply formula of sin alpha minus beta. So sin x minus b cos x minus a minus cos x minus b into sin x minus a upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b, okay, dx. Now dividing by cos x minus a cos x minus b to both terms. Here cos x minus a cancel, so cos x minus b upon sin x minus b upon cos x minus b becomes here 1 upon sin a minus b, and this becomes tan x minus b, minus here sin x minus a and cos x minus b cancel, so sin upon cos becomes tan, so tan x minus a, okay, dx. Now 1 upon sin a minus b and integration of tan x minus b. You know that integration of tan x is equal to log mod sec x. So log mod sec x minus b minus log mod sec x minus a plus c, okay. So is equal to 1 upon sin a minus b into log mod sec x minus b upon a sec x minus a. We know that working rules of logarithm, so is equal to becomes 1 upon sine x minus a minus b into log, change both into cos form, sec x minus a in numerator becomes cos x minus a. Here numerator sec x minus b becomes cos x minus b in denominator plus c. Okay, answer. Now question number 23, 24, both objective question for yourself. In next lecture we discuss about important formula and we solve some question of exercise 7.4. Okay, bye.